I'm waiting outside. I'm going to do Clear and Brilliant today, which is a laser treatment that's going to get rid of my hyperpigmentation. I have to do a few sessions. I know my dermatologist wants me to do 6, but she wants me to do 2 before summer officially hits, and then the other 4 in the fall. 4 will be contingent upon if my skin is clearing up faster or slower. So we'll see what happens after the first 2 treatments. And I'm kind of a little nervous, mostly excited, a little like super mellow because it's still 9 o'clock in the morning, and I don't know the last time I've been out of my house at this time. So it's super peaceful out here. The birds are chirping. The weather's pretty nice. Well, by that I mean 5 degrees Celsius. That's nice. This is my face with no makeup. I've got some acne marks, and I just want to wear less makeup. I want to have the least amount of makeup on my face as possible, or no makeup at all, for a base at least, for most days. So that's why I'm, super gung-ho on doing this. So this is to wash my face?
Yep.
Okay.
We're just washing your face in prep for the numbing cream. And basically why we do that thoroughly is so that your numbing cream will properly penetrate and so that there's no barriers.
Okay, because I like to have sunscreen on.
Yes, perfect. So we just want to make sure that you're nice and numb for the treatment, which we will leave on for about 35 to 40 minutes.
Okay. And then you have to wipe it off before you put on the laser. Okay.
Yeah, and then I'll be washing your face again just like I did.
Okay.
With some cleansers. I might even double cleanse you. Some people or technicians or providers will put a layer after they cleanse of alcohol with water just to degrease.
Okay.
Sometimes that can cause sensitivities, and being your first time getting to know your skin, I might double cleanse instead, just to make sure that you're not going to have any negative responses. Your lip will be kind of numb. It will feel weird, but we want to get close to the lip to get any fine lines.
Okay, awesome. And this will also deal with the discoloration around my lips?
Yes, this will this handpiece called the Permea, associated with the Clear and Brilliant, will mostly focus on the hyperpigmentation or evening out the skin tone or any discoloration that you have.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, and then it will also help remodel some collagen in the dermal layer with the other handpiece that we have. Now it will help some textural irregularities like pore size and fine lines with both handpieces. That's the beauty of it. But the one I'm using on you today specifically will help even out the skin tone and the discoloration.
So after a few treatments, do I switch over to the original or?
So that's an option. We can definitely do, let's say you did 6, we can do 3 and 3.
Okay.
Or we can alternate. I could do the Permea that focuses on the outermost layer of the skin and evening the skin tone and discoloration today. And then next session, I can switch over to the original. And then you can see the benefits of both.
Okay.
I personally think you want to stick, let's say you do 6, or let's say you do 4. I say half of them. Either way, 4 or 6 sessions should be of the Permea handpiece because you specifically have concerns of the discoloration.
Okay.
Okay. You will get some lightening, definitely from an evening out of the, the skin tone, and definitely improvements in the texture from the original as well. But the Primea is more hyper focused on the discoloration.
Okay.
Yeah, and the original is more hyper focused for pore size and, deeper wrinkles. You have nice skin. I'm not too concerned about your, texture. It's always nice though for the anti-aging purposes to do one or two originals.
Right.
You do want to be careful with Clear and Brilliant or with any laser treatments treating in the summertime.
Right.
Okay, so after today, for example, I'd like you to fully be out of the sun for at least a week.
Okay.
And then afterwards, especially for another week, a hat and SPF after that.
Okay.
And then, week 3 and 4, you can, let's say you're running outside or you're doing outdoor activities, just really, if you can wear a hat and SPF, great. But, week 3 and 4, really making sure that you're reapplying that SPF if you're going to be out all day.
Okay.
I will make a specific step-by-step routine for you to be following along with some samples for your first time. Okay, and then after you can decide which ones you like, because it will, any products that are medical grade, pharmaceutical grade active ingredients like your serums, for example, your vitamin C's, your retinols, those are what's going to help prolong all of these treatments at home.
Right.
They go a long way. For example, after you do, let's say 4 sessions, because you'll come in for the 4 every 4 weeks. Afterwards, you can start pushing it to maybe once every 2 months that you're coming in, because your at-home ingredients in your skincare should be helping prolong any treatment. Okay.
I know Dr. saying that she wanted me to do 2 like right away. Well, I mean, 1 this month, 1 next month, and then wait for summer, and then to start again in the fall.
Yeah, that's a great idea. And in between, like I said, you can use your skincare to help prolong the results from the Clear and Brilliant. Your retinol will go a long way. Retinol is absolutely amazing. It's really, in my opinion, the only thing that is a real at-home treatment that will help the pore size, the texture. It's the gold standard for fine lines and wrinkles, helping acne, helping slow off any discoloration or dead skin cells, helping that cell turnover. And then all of your other ingredients in the vitamin C serum and the discoloration defense that I'll give you are going to really help lighten and brighten as well after you have that salon.
gonna let you in on a little secret. Every day, once a day, give yourself a present.